Let's visit our PRC online account. Today, I am going to process my PRC license authentication. The last time I logged in was 2 years ago, and it looks like I forgot my password. What will happen if you forget your email and your password? You will receive a notification like this, and you can't proceed to your transaction. So let us try to solve this so we can proceed. Let us ask help from PRC office. Ask which counter can assist you with your problem. This counter will tell you which email you used and will give you temporary password. Now let's go back to the PRC website. Remember, you will not be entertained if you will not set an appointment online. And before you transact online, be sure that your e-wallets are not empty. Either you'll have PayMaya, GCash, or your bank account. Let us now log in and proceed with the authentication process of my PRC license. The temporary password really works. Just scroll down to click the transaction button. Click examination, then certification, then scroll down for authentication. Then I will choose authentication PRC license. Click profession and choose. Since I am a teacher, I'm gonna choose professional teacher. If you are still watching up to this point, click subscribe and the notification bell for more updates. And if you are not a teacher, you can comment your profession below. Add how many copies you want in the quantity box and enter your license number. Click proceed to see your appointment slot. Then proceed which PRC office you are heading to. I'm scrolling down to Region 10 because I am in Cagayan de Oro City. Once done, click Proceed. Now our appointment details are complete. It's payment time. Unfortunately, the PRC cashier option is not available. So I would go on with GCash. I would be paying 150 pesos for this transaction plus 8 pesos service charge. My GCash account pops up and I have to continue with the rest of the processes. Click pay and proceed. I am redirected to the PRC website and my payment document is ready for printout. Now I have to proceed to the counter to finish the process. But before that, I had my PRC license photocopied. The teller gets them together with my PRC ID. They return them to me once done, requiring me to put a documentary stamp on the space provided. And that's it, mission accomplished.